बताएंगे geometrically proof of cos a minus b. Let this is horizontal line OX and this angle is equal to A. A whole angle is equal to A and this angle is equal to B. This is equal to A, this is equal to B. Next, this angle became A minus B. Next, first of all take OP. OP is equal to R. And from the point P, draw a perpendicular on OZ at R. This is equal to 90 degree. And in this triangle, PROP, R is right angle, and so PR, this side is equal to R sin A. ये नोट करने वाली बात है, सबसे पहले ये इसके बराबर, और दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू B, दिस इज एंगल B, तो this side is equal to R sin B and this OR is equal to R cos B. Next, construction now. Draw a perpendicular from P on OX Q, and next draw a perpendicular on OX from R is equal to T. And next, a perpendicular draw from P on RT at L. This. There is a program in mind. What will you going to do? First of all, हमें दिमाग में ये होना चाहिए कि हमने अब क्या करना है. हमें किसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है? हमें निकालनी है OQ. Find out the value of cos A minus B. In R, cos A minus B is equal to OQ. This is equal to R cos A minus B. In our brain, this is a program that what will you going to prove? So this is equal to this plus this, यानी कि OR is equal to OT plus TQ and TQ is equal to LP. So we have found out the value of LP, and first of all we know what this angle is. तो this angle प्रूव करने के से पहले हमें ये इन स्मॉल ट्रायंगल ब्रेन होना चाहिए. दिस एंगल होल एंगल इज इक्वल टू 90 माइनस बी. होल एंगल, ये दिस होल एंगल RPO is equal to 90 minus B. If now in common in triangle ORT के अंदर this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angle, and this angle is equal to 90 each, and LPO, angle LPO is equal to A minus B. Now angle RPL is equal to R angle RPO minus angle LPO. This is angle is equal to 90 minus B, or this is equal to A minus B. Now solve 90 minus B minus A plus B. B से B cancel. This is equal to 90 minus A. This is equal to 90 degree. This is equal to 90 minus A. This is equal to A. This angle became to A. Now we show that OQ is equal to QT plus TQ, or TQ is equal to LP. Now in triangle RLP, in RLP, RL, in triangle RLP, RL is base, is equal to R sin B. Sorry, we have not, we are LP, we know here LP is equal to perpendicular and is equal to R sin B sin A. This is equal to LP. This LP or this is equal to cos A. But there is no need for this. We need only LP. And QT, OT is equal to R cos B cos A in triangle ROT. Now putting value of OT and LP, OQ is equal to OT plus LP. OT is equal to R cos A minus B. OT is equal to R cos B cos A plus LP is equal to R sin B sin A. Take dividing both sides by R. Result आया cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is final. This result became final.